Hello everyone, this is Nitish and this is a PLUMS initiative which is Prelims Level Up MCQ series. Here we discuss 5 MCQs daily and this will help you in your UPSC preparation. Today is episode number 207 and I am dealing with economics MCQ. Before starting this class, I would like you to please subscribe the channel and also like and comment on videos. These contents are free of cost, so for test series and foundation videos, you can contact to Vysh sir on WhatsApp 7200 681 675. So let's begin. Today's MCQ number 1 is the markets in crypto asset regulations recently seen in news is passed by which of the following organization? The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, the Association of Southeast Asian Nation that is ASEAN, the European Union, and last is SCO that is Shanghai Cooperation Organization. I will give you 10 seconds, try to answer this question. So its correct answer will be option C, that is European Union. European Union legislators recently approved a new bill on regulating crypto assets named Markets in Crypto Assets Regulation. This major law aims to impose regulation on the use of digital asset within the European Union. That's why the option number C is the correct answer. MCQ number 2. Which of the following statement best explains net factor income from abroad? It is the net income earned by the Indians from various factors of production in abroad subtracted by net taxes paid on the earned income in abroad. B. It is the net income earned by Indians from various factors of production in abroad in addition to the net retained earning from abroad. It is the net income earned by Indians from various factors of production in abroad in addition to transfer payment, gifts, donation from abroad. And the last statement is it is the net income earned by the Indians from various factors of production in abroad and deducting the net factor income earned by foreigners in India. So I will give you 10 seconds, try to answer this question. So its correct answer will be option number D. Net factor income from abroad is calculated by subtracting factor income earned by the factors of production of the rest of the world employed in the domestic economy from the factors income earned by domestic factors of production employed in the rest of the world. That is the statement number D. That's why the statement number D is the correct answer regarding net factor income from abroad. MCQ number 3. Which of the following options correctly describe the term biosentinel recently seen in news? A. A mission to develop a biosensor instrument to measure the impact of space radiation on living organisms. A wearable device that measures size changes in cancerous tumors under the skin. A mobile app to test nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus in the soil. And last is the semiconductor device that processes images from an individual physical characteristics using complex algorithm. So I will give you 10 seconds, try to answer this question. So its correct answer will be option number A. Now let's look at the explanation. The Biosentinel mission was selected as one of the secondary payloads and the sole biological experiment to fly on the first launch of the Space Launch System rocket for the Artemis 1 mission. The primary objective of Biosentinel is to develop a biosensor instrument to detect and measure the impact of space radiation on living organisms over long duration beyond low Earth orbit, that is LEO. So, statement number 1 is the correct statement regarding Biosentinel. Now, MCQ number 4. You have to identify the name of an island. So, here I will read for you the description of the island, that the island is a part of Nicobar group of islands in India. It is located around 305 kilometers from the capital city of Port Blair. It is spread across an area of about 174.4 square kilometers. the United States National Aeronautics and Space Administration, that is NASA, recently highlighted the loss of mangrove cover on this island. So you have to identify the island. Malvinas Island, Coco Island, Catchall Island, and none of the above. So I will give you 10 seconds. Try to answer this question. So its correct answer will be option number C, that is Catchall Island. So its explanation part is already given in the question. So from there you can get you can know the information regarding this island. That is, the island is a part of Nicobar group of islands. Now the last MCQs of today's class. The Radcliffe political declaration recently seen in news is related to which of the following? Option A, universal health coverage. Option B, global road safety. Option C, ending the AIDS epidemic. And last is disaster risk reduction. So I will give you 10 seconds, try to answer this question. So its correct answer will be option A, that is universal health coverage. Now let's look at the explanation. Radcliffe Political Declaration on Human Resource for Health. It is a reiterated commitment in attaining universal health coverage and recognized that global community needs an improved health workforce to achieve it. Its vision is that all people everywhere have access to a skilled, motivated health worker within a robust health system. That's why the option number A is the correct option. That is, Radcliffe Political Declaration is nothing but it is related to universal health coverage. So that's all for today's class. Hope you like this video. So the next episode will be tomorrow. So please subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you.